depending on the situation, sometimes I will, again, pull away from the student if I sense that the student is more needy. With students that are independent enough already, I tend to encourage them, possibly with better study habits or preparation techniques, or just remind them, for sessions, maybe it'd be a good idea if you had this done beforehand, or possibly ask your teacher about this question before you come to us, because there are some things that I'm just not able to answer.
If I had a student, I would give the subject matter, show the steps, how to process it, get an answer, and if I feel that he has mastered the steps and the process, I would give him something slightly more involved to test whether he has become independent. And if he's able to do it, I would be very satisfied that he is becoming an independent thinker. The challenge that we have here, our 900 series and 1000 series, 900 series, they are not quite ready yet to become independent. You go to 1000 series, and I would really like to see them become independent, be on their own 2 feet, and have enough confidence where they can go to the book sometimes on their own and start processing stuff on their own.
Well, a strategy is not to encourage dependence. Students have a tendency to sit down with homework and want you to tell them step by step how to solve a problem. You need to encourage your students to make guesses and give them time to look and see and say there's something wrong with this problem, and let them figure out what they've done wrong. So you don't encourage them to be lenient on you, you encourage them to think for themselves.
Ask questions. Don't just give answers. Don't assume that you know what you're talking about already, especially when you're dealing with writing, but in any subject. Don't assume that your first impression is always correct. Try to figure out where the student is coming from and give them a chance to explain themselves. Because even if they have misunderstood something or aren't doing something correctly, then by helping them be more active and realizing that they're kind of in control of the session, they will be better able to integrate what you're advising them to do rather than just let you dictate content or dictate changes.